Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share with you the referral job opportunities as well. So let me share the details. Okay. So these are the details for the testing job opportunities. So first is the requirement is for software tester manual, and the organization name is ES Techno Solutions. Location is Pune, Bangalore, or remote. Experience is 0 to 8 years, and you can apply for these particular positions. They are looking for someone who is capable to do manual or execute automated test cases. Tools like Jira, you should be well versed with Jira. Then knowledge with tools like Selenium, Postman, TestRail, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there are various open positions for the Pune location, and interested candidates can share their updated resume at this email address. So this is a referral email address that I got from the LinkedIn, and the employee from the company has come forward to refer the candidates for all these positions. So let me tell you the positions also. So these are the positions. So there is a requirement for technical lead, senior full stack developer, Java developer, QA lead, QA engineer, senior QA engineer, automation engineer, senior automation engineer, technical support engineer, senior tech support. All these requirements are there. So you can apply. You can send your CV to the referral email address itself so that there are chances that you will get the interview calls when you are applying via referrals. Then there's a hiring for freshers, cloud ops engineer, and the location is of Hyderabad, and you can apply over here. So they are looking for candidates who have strong background in Azure, more focus on Windows-based knowledge, additional hands-on knowledge in Terraform and Ansible would be preferred. Completed at least one hands-on project. Educational criteria: BE, BTech, MCA, batch 2023-24. Academic 60% and above throughout. Selection process is also given, and you can apply over here. Then there's a requirement for Python automation testers for Bangalore location. Experience 7 to 12 years, only immediate joiners. Please share your profiles at this email address. Then there's a requirement for a Hyderabad location at Coforge. They are looking for Selenium with Java. Experience is 5 to 10 years. Notice period is 0 to 15 days. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for card testing, functional testers. Candidates can join immediately. You can share your resume to Vasudev at hireboxsolutions.com. Opstree is hiring for a QA lead for its Noida office. The experience required is 11 to 14 years, and the position is of QA lead, test lead. So you can apply over here, and they are looking for someone who is having experience in product-based or fast-paced tech environments, CI/CD pipelines, agile methodologies, and certification would be ISTQB would be nice to have. And to say, you can apply by sending your resume and cover letter, highlighting your stakeholder management, team leadership, and QA achievements. You can share your CV at this WhatsApp number, or the email address is also provided. Okay. EPAM is hiring for automation testers in Chennai, and the interview date would be on 9th of August. Notice period is immediate to 60 days. Location is EPAM Chennai, and experience is 3 to 15 years. So they are looking for automation testers again, Selenium with any JS tools, and Python automation testing. Required skills is PyTest plus Selenium plus API. So these are the opportunities with respect to the testing for the freshers as well as for experience, and we shared with you the referral email addresses as well. So apply for these positions today itself, and let us know if anything else is required. Please feel free to put the comments in the comment section of the video. And I'll also be posting all these job opportunities and the details, the links in the comment section as well, so that it becomes easier for you to apply from there. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.